Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will talk about the deadliest advanced unmanned aerial vehicle, the Luna Ang drone that Ukrainian forces will use in the near future. According to information, recently Germany's leading defense company, Rheinmetall, delivered the Luna Ang unmanned reconnaissance drone system to Ukraine. In the provision of advanced UAVs to Ukraine, funding for the purchase of Luna drone systems is provided by the German government. This is part of a sizable military aid package to support Ukraine in its defense against potential enemy threats. So, what is the greatness of this Luna Ang drone? To get to know him further, Luna Ang is one of the unmanned aerial systems UAS. Owned by Germany, the platform is developed and designed to perform challenging detection, tracking, and reconnaissance missions. The use of this system by Ukrainian forces is expected to provide advantages for the country's military. The latest package, which includes counter-unmanned aerial system UAS capabilities, will help Ukraine defend against enemy drones. The Luna NG is the next generation of reconnaissance drones, which can outperform its predecessors in all major aspects, with features equipped consisting of ground control stations, multiple drones, and launch catapults. The compact ground station fits into a small vehicle or standard cabin, allowing fast transportation, and the aircraft can be launched from almost anywhere using a rope hoist catapult. The Luna drone, powered by a two-cylinder fuel-injected engine with low noise, allows it to fly reliably in every season, as well as in adverse weather conditions. Once launched, this drone is capable of flying at an altitude of up to 5,000 meters. And can be airborne for up to 12 hours by traveling a distance of up to 100 kilometers. And for the speed of descent, this drone can move in for meters per second. This range indicates the distance that can be traveled from the ground control station while maintaining communication. Although it is able to cover long distances, however, this drone has a maximum speed that can glide up to 160 kilometers per hour. Making it difficult to be detected by the enemy. The range of Luna drones can cover significant areas during reconnaissance missions where flights can be carried out in complete silence, making them ideal for surveillance and inspection missions. The drone is equipped with first-class optics and advanced optics, which serve for pilot display and ground view, as well as transmitting images and data in real time with situational awareness in battleground. Luna drones can help identify targets for artillery strikes, reducing the risk of collateral damage and civilian casualties, while increasing the effectiveness of Ukrainian military artillery units. Please note, the Luna drone system features does not carry its own firepower, but it doesn't matter. Its powerful reconnaissance capabilities to enemy positions could increase firepower for Ukrainian forces. in conflict situations, where secure and reliable communication is essential. The drone system provides a wireless broadband network to listen in or disrupt interceptive communications, and provides accurate information in real time about enemy positions. By providing very fast intelligence and surveillance capabilities, this information will be important for decision-making and tactical planning in combat, such as the one unfolding in Ukraine. The delivery of the Luna drone system to Ukraine, as a significant development in the country's defense capabilities, could provide valuable support in its defense efforts.